Hello, this is a video on Next Gen Tech, where we will be exploring the way technology has advanced and how it benefits people in their daily lives. We will be talking about QR codes, wearable technology, 3D printers, single board computers and geotags. Also, we will be explaining why USB sticks are unreadable and why you shouldn't have a whole project stored on it.
Hello, and I am James. Today I will be talking about 3D printers. One of the main questions that a lot of people ask is, where do you buy a 3D printer? Well, Maplin sell quite a basic 3D printer for £700. Products are very limited on the size of the printer. Basically, the beauty of the printer is anything you can imagine, you can design. They make prototype products, components to adapt to your home, toys, handles, phone cases, chess pieces, models, almost anything you can think of. The only limitation is the size of the pad. So why would you buy this product? If you are from a design and engineering team and you perform a lot of visual demonstrations, you would buy a 3D printer, as it makes prototypes of this product you are trying to sell. This would work out a lot cheaper and more viable method, as eventually the cost of the materials going into the printer will pay off the printer itself. So how does it work? All starts with a concept. The first stage of 3D printing is lay it out. An original idea with digital modelling. That is, with computer-aided design, CAD, or animation modelling software. Whichever program you choose, you're able to create a visual blueprint of the object you want to print. The program then divides the objects into digital cross sections so the printer is able to build it layer by layer. The cross sections essentially act as guides for the printer so that the object is exact size and shape you want. Both CAD and animation modelling software are graphics editors. What you see is what you get. So now I will show you how we make our own products. For instance, Google Glasses. A very nice product which could be made on a 3D printer. Over here we have a 3D printer of our own, and this is the blueprint which we are going to insert. Materials get inserted into the editing tray and they go in. As you can see, our 3D printer has made our very own Google Glasses. These will be over to an expert who is going to talk about how Google Glasses work.
Thank you. Hello, I'm Ollie and welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about wearable technology. I'm here with my Google Glasses. Did you know that they have made a way to detect people's emotions with Google Glasses? For example, you're sad.
I know.
There are also breakthroughs in new tech. Like, did you know that people can have smart contact lenses with ultra-thin devices with built-in camera that also gives you infrared heat vision by sandwiching 2 layers of graphite together? It can capture everything from visible light in the way up to mid-infrared. Now we have the first electronic circuit that has been printed directly onto human skin. Those sensors can directly massage skin hydration and temperature. The electronic signals from muscle and brain activity. Isn't that amazing?
That's a cheeky QR code. I'll give that a scan. Oh, what does it say? Hello, this will be used as an introduction in the world of QR codes. That's funny, because today I'm here to talk to you about QR codes. What are QR codes used for? Maybe a tough question when you ask someone who doesn't have a clue what QR codes are. But now that you know that, the questions have gotten a lot simpler. So think about the answer, QR codes can be used for anything conventional barcodes are. So right, that you have many functionalities, but there are a lot of things. QR codes are capable of that conventional barcodes are not, due to their limitations. Let's read out some cheeky facts about QR codes. QR codes don't have to be black and white. As long as the contrast between light and dark areas is great enough for readers to detect, you can create a branded QR code to help promote your business. QR code scanning grew 1,200% during the last quarter in 2010. The largest QR code on record was created by Aldi, which measures a whopping 159 square metres. The iPhone is the most popular scanning device with QR codes. QR codes were first introduced in 1994. The Japanese firm Denso Wave Incorporated first created QR codes for the sole purpose of tracking vehicle parts. Including Japan, the United States has the high QR code usage rate than any other country. Thank you, good day, I'm off.
Hello, I'm Harry, and today I'm going to be explaining to you single board computers, and more specifically, the Raspberry Pi. Hello, here's Joe with a Raspberry Pi. Thank you, Joe. This is the B+ model. It's about the size of a credit card. The B+ model has 40 GPIO pins, which stands for General Purpose Input-Output. It has 4 USB ports. It has 512 megabytes of RAM, and is powered by a micro USB port, the same as what charges your mobile phone. It only costs around £25 and even has a HDMI to connect it to your monitor. Single board computers were made to teach people in schools, colleges and universities how to code and program computers. A single board computer is a complete computer built on a single circuit board with microprocessors, memory, input and outputs and some other features to make it a completely functional computer. The Raspberry Pi is completely open source, and what that means is that anyone can write any code for it. So that includes me, you or my assistant Joe.
Geotagging is a way of embedding location information into photos or posts made through social media sites, providing the exact coordinates of where a photo was snapped or post was made. This technology works by using geographical metadata that consists of longitude and latitude. Most smartphones have a geotagging feature, as well as with most camera devices. You can now enable automatic GPS on them, so as you take pictures on the journey, it will automatically create a geotag for every photo you take. With smartphones, people can post on social media sites where they are and what they're doing, then create a map of places where they've been to. A good example of this is Instagram. Businesses and companies have only recently discovered what geotagging can do for them. It can help them maximise their return on investment by allowing them to target their audience selectively according to specific data such as locations and geographic.
Overall, we think this technology will really help future generations and our own generation to improve our IT skills and our way of living. Thank you for watching our video, and we hope it was very informative.